What is cognitivism? Cognitivism is a learning theory that focuses on how information is received, organized, stored, and retrieved by the mind. Here, the mind is considered as an information processor, like a computer. Cognitivism, therefore, looks beyond observable behavior, viewing learning as internal mental processes. In this view, learners are actively involved in the way they process information. As we can see, the cognitivists are concerned with what learners know and how they acquire it. Just like the behaviorists, the cognitivists observe changes in behavior, but only as an indication of what is going on in the learner's mind. It is important to note that cognitivism developed as a reaction to behaviorism and gained credence in the 1950s. In fact, the cognitivists objected to the behaviorists because they felt that the latter thought learning was simply a reaction to a stimulus and ignored the idea that thinking plays an important role. Although many researchers contributed to the development of cognitivist learning theory, such as Brunner, Vygotsky, and Bloom, Piaget's views had a tremendous impact. Spurred by the work of Piaget, the cognitivists viewed knowledge as symbolic mental constructs, or schemata. For the cognitivists, when a learner's schemata are changed, learning takes place. Some of the central principles in cognitivism and their implications in the classroom are: 1. Learning is a process of organizing information into conceptualized models. 2. Instructions should be organized, sequenced, and presented in a manner that is understandable and meaningful to the learner. 3. Retention and recall are important to build schemas in the brain. 4. Memory is supported by organizing learning material. And 5. Teachers must provide tools that help learners' brain process information.